If your skin looks dull, rough, tired, and textured, even when you're doing everything right, this might be why. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are just stopping by for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Immaculate, and over here I talk about everything skincare to give you that beautiful routine and to help you achieve a healthy glowing skin. I give recommendations also. If this is something that resonates with you, why not hit the subscribe button and join the tribe today. To my returning subscribers, you already know I've got massive love for you guys. Please watch the video to the end. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. Share also with your friends and family. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. This is the final episode of the series, My Common Skin Concerns. Yay, you made it up to this point. Thank you so much for your support so far. If you have not seen the other videos, you should head over and see it because I share things straight up from experience. I don't skip over here. Of course, you already know. Please head over and watch it. Then for today's video, we are going to be talking about uneven skin tone, dullness, roughness, and generally lack of glow. And this lack of glow can be caused by a harmless mistake. It is very common. Yes, it can happen to anyone at any time. In this video, I'm going to be giving you the common reasons why you are experiencing this lack of glow and what to do to restore your skin back. This isn't even about changing your skincare routine. It's not about adding more products. It's about maintaining what you already have, what you know that is already working for you, and just adjusting it a little bit to avoid texture skin, dull skin, roughness, or all of that. The first reason why you are experiencing dull and tired skin is dead skin buildup and dehydration. Dead skin cells will not allow your skincare product to work, trust me. All you have to do is exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, which is the ideal exfoliating time per week. Do not over exfoliate. Don't even exfoliate every day. You are damaging your skin barrier. And also stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. Make sure you're taking your fruit, water-based fruits. You're also using your supplements. Then the second reason is barrier damage. You're experiencing roughness, redness, irritation, sensitivity of skin. Your skin is itching you and your skin is becoming too dry. That is your barrier screaming for help. It has lost its ability to retain moisture. That is why you are breaking out. That is why you are experiencing itchy skin and your skin becomes overly sensitive. It is very easy to restore your skin barrier. To restore your skin barrier, just follow this simple step. If you're the type that showers with very hot water, please reduce it. Make it lukewarm water, or better still, cold water. Yes. Over exfoliating your skin also is going to expose your skin to more damage. It's going to damage your skin barrier. It's going to make your pores to be open and prone to sensitivity, redness, itchiness, and dryness. All you have to do is stick with a strict routine, which is 2 to 3 times weekly. Yes, 2 times. Like me, I exfoliate my skin twice every week, over the weekend and then at the middle of the week, maybe on a Wednesday and on a Sunday. That's just all you need, guys. You don't need to do too much. To fix your barrier damage, all you need is your hyaluronic acid, moisturizer, and ceramide. That's just all. Make sure you're applying your hyaluronic acid. This helps you reduce redness, helps you reduce irritation and all of that sensitivity of skin. Make sure you are using enough moisturizer, moisturizing shower gel, moisturizing cream, lotions, face cream, and all of that. That is going to help balance your skin and restore your lost barrier. And the next reason why your skin looks dull, tired, and rough is overuse of actives. You're overusing glycolic acid, you're overusing salicylic acid, retinol. You don't need all of that in your everyday routine. Those are strictly for treatment. Glycolic acid and salicylic acid is strictly for exfoliating, which should be done twice a week. Twice a week if you have breakouts, if you have current skin issue such as breakouts, you're experiencing textured skin and all of that. That is when you should use your active twice a week. If you are not, please keep it aside. You can have it in your routine, but just keep it aside. Like me, I have it in my routine, but I don't use it every day. I don't use it every day because I don't have any serious concern or need for it. Why should I use that every day, or why should I use it every week? It's only when I'm experiencing breakouts and little redness and all of that. I need to do is I'm using my hyaluronic acid, I'm using my moisturizer, my ceramide. Those are just for everyday use. Your niacinamide, those are okay for everyday. But you see retinol, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, please do not use it every day. Then the last one is how to restore your glow gently. I've already mentioned everything you need to know in this video. I don't want this video to be too long. This is the last and the final episode. I don't want it to be long, and I'm not here to push any product to you, but I'm just telling you the ingredients that are safe to help you get over this uneven skin tone, this skin dullness, and textured skin. It's that simple, guys. Let me tell you something. You don't need too much in your routine. I always say that you don't need too much in your routine. I myself am into skincare, or all the products I have, I don't use them all the time. I have products I have not touched in months. Yes, I have barely touched in months. I am educating you guys, and I talk about it. I like to try a lot of things. That is when I have any concern or need for it. I don't just go over to start using things. And another thing I'm going to advise you guys is stop jumping on trend. Because you're seeing this stuff is trending, this skincare product is trending, and you need to use. No, you don't need to use everything that is trending. Stick with what works for you. I have products that I have been using for 5 good years. I have not changed it, and I don't have any need to change it. That is it. It's simple. It's working for me. Why should I want to change it? Or why do I feel the need to want to upgrade? That's not upgrade. I'm even going to introduce my skin to a lot of damage that I don't want to go through. The only thing I need to buy every month is soap. My body lotion, I buy my body lotion once a year. Yes, you heard me, once a year. I don't use it always. That is just it. Some of you, you're drinking your lotion as though it's water. No, you don't need all of that. Glow starts from inside out, from within. You are what you eat, you are what you consume. If you're consuming healthy food, you're consuming healthy fruits, you're supplementing, you don't need to apply so much on your skin. You don't need to apply so much on the surface. Yes. So glow starts when you're doing it calmly, you're doing it patiently, and you are doing it consistently. That is when you see the real glow. Do not forget your sunscreen. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is all for today, and that is all for my series common skin concern. I believe I have been able to touch every aspect of the most common skin concern that we face. If you're not subscribed and you've made it to this point, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and support me. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you again. My other videos, I'll be taking you on my skin journey. I've already started taking you on my skin journey. There's nothing to hide. I'm going to be making some other videos bringing to you helpful, very helpful tips, and also routines and skincare products that work, that gets the job done, not just hype. I don't believe in hype over here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.